Welcome back, children. So till last video we saw about the first question, answer the following, right? Yes, you all completed the first question, answer the following, I think so. See, listen, this answer the following, you want to write it in your classwork. Till that book back exercises, you want to write it in your book. From this, you want to write it in your classwork. Yes, you all know that, I think so. I don't want to repeat it again and again, right? So first question over. The second question is, define active image. So active image definition is, though you can work with many images, only one image is active at any given moment, right? This is represented by a small icon. Click on the icon to display a dialog with the list of currently opened images. So click on the respective image or image window to make it active. This is the answer for your definition of the active image. I hope you all have written this, right? It is also in the book. You can refer the book or you can pause the video and you can write the answer. Yes? You can go into the next one. The next question is, can we group moving windows? How? We can group the moving windows, right? Yes, we can group the moving windows. How? GIMP has a great flexibility in arranging dialog windows on your screen. A dialog is a moving window which contains options for a tool. So a dock is a container which can hold a collection of dialogs such as the tool options dialog, brushes dialog, palette dialog, etc. So like this, we can group the moving windows. Yes? Have you all written this? Okay. So with this, our second lesson, question answers and book back exercises, everything over. We can move back to the project time. Yes? So the next we are going to see is about the project time. What is there in the project time? You are having a banner to create a banner for the endangered animal show. Okay? We can go. Yes. So I am going to open my XIMP. So XIMP is opening now. You are all ready for making a banner through XIMP for your endangered animals? Yes? I think you all are ready for that, isn't it? So our XIMP interface is open now. Now we are going to open the file for the project time. Yes. So if you want, I will send the project time image to you, right? I'll send the project time image to you. You can also work it out and see. So this is your project time image. This is a banner for welcoming for the IT Expo. That is for your endangered animals. Okay, endangered animals expo. So here, what is the outcome is? See, I'll also show you the outcome. The outcome of your project time will be samples. In samples, this is your outcome of your project time. Just see that. So this is the outcome of your project time. See? This is the outcome of your project time. Okay? So like this, you also want to prepare. Don't want this same animals, we can do with the different animals. Okay? Yes? Okay. So we can go into the Our thing to do the banner. Okay, so here is the banner. We are going to prepare it. For that, what you want to do? You want to open your other samples or media. I am going to open this jungle. Yes, because here only we are having many images, animals. Okay. Okay, so what I am going to do now? I am going to take 3 animals so that I can complete my banner. For that, what I want to do? I want to select it. Go to the toolbox. Okay, go to the toolbox. Select any tool like this selection tool. I am going to select rectangle. Please clearly watch this so that you can also do it when you are in your home. I will send you this images for animals and also the banner image so that you can also work it out and see in your laptop. Okay. So I am going to select this toolbox here. Rectangle select toolbox. I am going to select first monkey here. So selection is done. After that, go to edit. Yes. Go to edit, copy this monkey, go to the banner. See here we can have many images, but actively we can have only one image, right? Here right click, edit, paste. You can also go with right click, edit, copy, paste, or else go for this edit in the menu bar. There are 2 options. Either from the menu bar using this we can copy and paste, otherwise using the edit, right click, edit, copy, paste also you can do. Then you want to scale this. So scaling is done. See, scale. See, scale. Yes, this is not this monkey is somewhat bigger than this, right? So once again, see, this is the scaling. See, if you are keeping your mouse pointer in the tool, it will show what is that tool and for what it is being used. So scale tool for scaling the layer. I am checking this again and see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 small rectangle size is coming, right? This is used for your scaling of the picture. Okay, you can do the scaling and you want to click on this scale. Otherwise, if you are doing this and if you are closing, it won't affect. You want to click on the scale to make it same. Okay, see, I am doing like this and I am just leaving now. This closing means it won't affect. Okay, this will not be considered as scaling. You want to go to the scaling. You want to click on this. You want to select this and do the scaling. Then only that scaling will be effective. Okay, now also scaling. Yes. Okay, scale. See, it is into that box correctly, isn't it? Yes. So our first thing is over. That is monkey animal is being placed inside that box correctly. Right? We can go on to the next one. Okay. So next animal what we can have? We can have elephant. Okay. So using the select this elephant alone, edit, copy this, go to this banner, edit, paste this. Now scaling, scale this. You want to click on this scale so that it can be like this. No, it is not correct. So once again, you want to scale it correctly. Yes. You can make it move. Wait, using the move, you can move this, but scaling is not proper. Go to the scaling. Yes. See what I am doing now? Inside that box, I am keeping that animal. Yes. Scale this. Is it correct? Yes. Perfect. So inside the second box also, elephant and one animal is kept. Yes. Okay, we can go with the other animal now. Yes, the next animal we are going to choose is, we can have lion. Okay, select this, select this, edit, copy, see, using the select, rectangle select this, okay, edit, copy, go to this banner, edit, paste. It is pasted, right? I want to scale this. Scale, resizing the image. Yes? No, it is not proper. Once again. Yes. Now move this and see whether it can fit into that. Okay, no. Small, right? So scaling. Perfect, right? So we completed our banner creation. Yes. So this is our banner. You can complete this. I think you guys can complete this banner, isn't it? Yes. So you guys can complete this banner, I think. With this, our project time is over. So I'll send you the project time banner and some few images for that. Please guys work it on, see whether like this you can create the banner. See, this is the banner we created, and banner which is the sample given there in our XIMP is like this. See, yes. So instead of tiger, we have a monkey. Instead of this deer, we have our elephant, and lion is the same, right? This is our created banner, and this is the banner which is the sample given by the Chrysalis team. Yes, both are similar, right? So you can also make it. Not only this, you can have from your net also. Okay, you can have from your net also, and you can animals, you can get it from anywhere in your Google, and you can use this. Okay, so with this our project time is over. I think it is very easy for you to do, isn't it? I know you guys can do it. I'll send it and do it. The next one is apply IT. So there are two pictures given. One is a picture of a girl in a scene and a picture of a basket in a scene. These two things I will give it to you. Use the appropriate selection tools to remove the following objects from the photograph. A picture of a girl you want to remove, and a picture of a basket you want to remove. I'll show that. See, in apply IT, scene. In this scene, you want to remove this girl. In this scene, you want to remove the girl from here. Okay. And in scene 1, you want to remove the basket from here. See, you want to remove this basket from here, and in scene, you want to remove the girl from there. This is your apply IT section. I will send you this also. Okay. If you can do it in the upcoming sessions, we will know how to do it. Okay. So use the appropriate selection tools to remove the following objects. Picture of a girl in the scene dot image, and a picture of a basket in scene 1 of the image. This is your apply IT section. Okay. I will send all the image files. Please work it out and see. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. I hope you enjoy this project time, isn't it? Thank you, children. If you are having any doubt, ask me in the group. Thank you.